Hello, friends. The holidays have come and gone, and now it's time to reset and bring some calm back to the house. Today, we're cleaning the kitchen, dining room, living room, deep cleaning the fridge, and finally sorting out the linen closet. But before we jump in, here's what we're starting with. It's definitely a post holiday mess, but that just makes this transformation even better. So let's get to it.
How I tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
I don't know about you guys, but I love when things are easy and they're eco-friendly. What an intro for me unboxing my laundry detergent and my dishwasher detergent. I get them delivered from Drops, and their Drops' thing is that they don't use any plastic, so it all comes in cardboard and it's all natural. So I love it.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 도도한 태도가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Oh, meet me up near the riverside. We can push everything aside. Make stars align, let's just collide. Yeah, yeah. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice.
I'm starting day 2 and my goal is to get the kitchen under control. I'm going to clean out my fridge, but first I need to get the dishes out of my way. So as always, that's the first thing I'm going to tackle in the kitchen. My fridge always gets so chaotic during the holidays, so it felt really good to clear it all out and have a fresh start. I just went shelf by shelf, starting at the top, and honestly, I love how the fridge turned out. It's just so crazy. One day, you're trying to stay cool and hip and young, and the next day you're like, wow, I cleaned up my fridge. This is amazing. I'm not ashamed, okay? I'm really excited that my fridge is cleaned out. I mean, look at that thing. It was a mess when I first started.
put stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tights, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud.
You guys, this before and after, it doesn't do my fridge justice. It feels so much better now when I open the fridge. I actually like my fridge again. If you are overdue for a fridge clean out or a pantry clean out or whatever, I highly, highly recommend that you just do it because it feels so good when you're done. In fact, do it right now and while you're watching this video and we can body double together. Get all our chores done.
I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine, and there's nothing that can bring me down. Real good, like joy came in the morning, and the birds are singing sweeter sounds. Ooh, the sun set me free if I just believe I am. Vision is key, so if you can see, you can rise above it. So when life is life and trouble's troubling, issues pile up.
This counter was full of stuff that we collected over the past few weeks, and this was after I tried to tidy it up the day before. I'm giving this cereal to a friend, so I'm just gonna set it aside for now. And then I was able to find some room in my pantry to hold all those bottles of formula, but now the pantry is stuffed to the brim. Look at this gorgeous strawberry jar I found. I'm in love with the fact that it's pink. That's what sold me. I found it at TJ Maxx. I would have preferred it to be a little bit bigger, like the size of a cookie jar, but I'll take what I can get because I am in love with this jar.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home.
Okay, so the last thing I want to deep clean in this video is our hall closet right behind me. It has our linens, it has a bunch of house stuff. It's really crowded. So I think I'm gonna take everything out, I'm gonna go through it, and then I'm gonna put everything back in. Wish me luck.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body. Live like
Welcome to my haul closet haul. Okay, I thought I would tell you guys what was in my closet, which is a lot. Seeing it all laid out like this, I'm like, okay, we really stuffed that thing. We have dog treats. We have 2 bags of dog bones. We have a big thing of protein. We get them from Costco. Our kitchen pantry was probably full. a humidifier, 2 boxes of light bulbs, one of these massagers guns, batteries right here. Battery Daddy is what everything is in. It's actually really cool. If you haven't seen it before, look. You can put all your batteries and then extra battery storage. 2 clipboards. We use them for when we have to sign paper on the go. Carcassonne. It's a super fun strategy map game. 10/10 recommend. Next is my art supplies. It is honestly chocked full. I mean, maybe I could go through that too, but I feel like it's things I need, like glue sticks, some cute stickers, markers. So I think I'll just leave that. What else? What else? We have some of Mason's paintball gear. And then right here, we have a bin full of candles. And then obviously there's this giant pile of blankets. But listen here, listen here. Not only do I have this pile of blankets, watch, come with me. I have all of these blankets too. And these are like blankets, sheets, and some curtains. So I have to go through all of this.
If you only knew, if you only knew.
Your guys' house, but the blankets that I have like in my couch and in my linen closet that I don't touch for a while, and I mean it could be just like a couple months, they start to smell musty, and I live in a really dry area, so I don't know. But anyways, to deodorize while I'm rewashing everything, I made a baking soda and essential oil blend. I did like eucalyptus, peppermint, and sweet orange. With baking soda, and I'm just gonna keep it in there to deodorize the couch, and then the next day I put it in the linen closet to deodorize that area, and then I'm gonna put the fresh blankets back in.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me.
Okay, so this is basically a big pile of everything I'm keeping. There's linens in here, couch covers, lots of throws, because I like different throws for different seasons, and some other stuff, blankets mostly. I do have like 4 bags of blankets and stuff that I'm gonna donate.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you.
And that's it. The house feels fresh, my blankets are finally organized, and I'm ready to take on the rest of the year with a clear mind and a calm space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cozy cleaning and organizing inspiration. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you on the next one.